One of our latest products is C-1 English Rose Serum. And right at the beginning, when we created the line, we actually had a serum called C3. A lot of that product was made of oil-based silicones. So we realized we could enhance the formulation and we could reduce the level dramatically of oil-based silicones. And with the view that we like to try and replace chemical compounds with natural ingredients, we thought absolute rose extract, that again is found in skincare, largely because skincare absorbs into the skin, hair care generally sits on the outside of the cuticle. We found that we could use absolute rose extract to create this dry oil. It's a brilliant formula on the hair. A lot of people use this on photo shoots, which is normally a big no-no using oils and serums on photo shoots. But we find we can get that real shine and separation without the hair looking greasy. The best part of the story with this, we grow our own roses here in the UK. We harvest our own absolute rose extract and we use it in the product. English Rose Serum is the only product in the range that doesn't contain the electric fragrance. We made this product for the first time. There was an amazing aroma of fresh roses in the room. And we realized then, actually, let's not put any fragrance in it, and we as the craft brewer could make those decisions on the day we're making it. So enjoy the smell of this one, smell the rose.